Good morning, all of you. In the previous classes, you have learnt about perimeter. Now, today we are going to learn about circumference of a circle. You know that the perimeter is the length of the boundary enclosed by a closed figure. Similarly, when we talk about circular region, you can see that this is circular region and the distance around the circular region, it means this distance around the circular region is called circumference. Now we are going to discuss circumference in detail. Now you can see that there are columns in which the first column circle, the second column is representing radius, third one is diameter, fourth one is representing circumference, and the last one is representing ratio of C and D. Ratio of C and D means C will be in numerator and D will be in denominator. Now when radius is 21 centimeter, then its diameter will be double, so its diameter will be 42 centimeter. Similarly, here diameter will be 21 centimeter and here it will be 14 centimeter. Now ratio of C and D. So C will be in numerator and D will be in denominator. Similarly, here C will be in numerator and D, that is 21, will be in denominator. Now for last one, 44, that is circumference, and 14, that is diameter, will be in the denominator. When you will solve these, you will get 3.14. Similarly, here also you will get 3.14. Here also 66 divided by 21 will come out to be 3.14. So you can see that in all the cases, whether the circle is large or small, the ratio of C by D is constant, and this constant is equal to 3.14. As you have seen that the ratio of C by D was constant and it was equal to 3.14. 3.14 is said to be pi and it is represented like this, pi, P-I, pi. The value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 or 3.14. 3.14. These are the approximate value of pi. Now you can cross multiply it, so you will get C is equal to pi D. You know that diameter is double of radius, so you can put here in place of diameter you can write pi into 2r. Now it can be arranged and you can write like this, C is equal to 2 pi r. Now when the radius of circle is given, you can easily calculate the circumference. Similarly, when diameter of a circle is given, you can also calculate the circumference of a circle.